It is time for the realistic Angry Bird takeover.
Yes.
How?
Oh god, oh fuck.
Are you a smart fella or a fart smeller?
We are taking over.
Ownership has been transferred to us.
Ha 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 ha, trolled.
Oh no, what do we do?
Nothing, fuck you.
How?
Shut up, I took over this server.
No, I did.
How?
How?
Egg shitter.
Oops.
Guys, what the fuck? I did not allow this. Go home.
How?
No,
Is this a rebellion? You shall be punished. To death.
we are taking over this server.
Okay.
Not if Lunar Lemon has anything to say about it.
Bro, I kicked your shins yesterday. Why do you still trust me?
I will hack you.
No, you won't.
How?
203-197-193-195.
Their quietness says something.
You live in Delhi, India.
No, you.
Trolled.
215.33.9.157.
288 South Transit Street, Lockport, New York, 14094.
No, you stole my location.
I will dox all of you if you do not listen to my orders. Understand?
Haha, fart smell like you live in Ohio.
Lol, what a loser.
Ohio is a shitty state.
No, it's not.
It is.
It is.
It is.
Show us anything interesting in Ohio.
It is.
Who TF are you?
Bye.
It is. Okay.
There is corn that is interesting.
That is not interesting.
Are we done here?
No, we are taking over.
Oh. Why do they have shins?
Don't ask questions you're not prepared to handle the answers to.
Wario has shins.
No, I don't.
Oh.
Fart Smella has been warned. Do not underestimate the power of Esther.
War.
Yeah.
Fuck.
Go. Home. Now.
We surrender.
Thoughts what I thought.
No, we don't get trolled.
Shut up, egg shitter, we surrender.
8 who's next?
How?
Hal is dead.
Hal has not been banned.
Okay, so it seems like realistic Angry Birds tried to take over the server. Everything is normal now, I think.
But their leader saved the day. Everything is normal when I'm here.
Peter Griffin.
Holy shit. Dead.
Where's Mr. Twitchell to save the day?
I am here.
Holy shit.
I have erased the Angry Birds.